Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're creating a peaceful forest pathway on a black canvas, a scene that feels like a quiet walk through nature, where every step leads you deeper into the woods. The soft morning light, lush green foliage, rustic wooden stairs, and delicate white wildflowers all come together to create a calm and inviting atmosphere. To begin, I use a small piece of sponge to brighten the upper part of the black canvas. This soft glow will become the light filtering through the distant forest. Next, I mix a muted green and gently blend it into the illuminated area, creating a soft, hazy background that will give the painting depth from the very first layer. As I move forward, I gradually darken my green mixtures and begin building the forest one layer at a time. Each layer becomes slightly darker and more defined than the one behind it, allowing the forest to naturally recede into the distance. At this stage, I also leave space where the wooden staircase and rocky hillside will be added later. For the trees on one side of the painting, I mix a brighter green using yellow and blue. I block in the general shapes of the foliage first rather than focusing on details. Then, using the corner of my brush and a lighter highlight, I softly touch the tops of the distant trees to suggest sunlight catching the leaves. Now I mix a rich, dark brown using red, yellow, and black. This becomes the base color for the rocky slope along one side of the trail. With the same mixture, I sketch in the stone steps, carefully placing them between the surrounding plants while keeping the perspective in mind. Next, I paint the tree trunks between the foliage. The trees farther away are thinner, softer, and less detailed, while those closer to the viewer become stronger and more defined. This simple change immediately creates a convincing sense of distance. With the background established, I return to the bushes and grasses. Using gentle tapping motions with a lighter green, I begin layering highlights over the darker base. Instead of covering everything, I leave plenty of shadows visible underneath. This contrast is what makes the foliage appear fresh, vibrant, and full of depth. I also add a few soft leaves around the distant tree trunks so they blend naturally into the forest instead of standing out as flat shapes. Now I continue developing the vegetation climbing along the rocky hillside. Again, I focus on placing brighter highlights only where the sunlight would naturally hit, allowing the darker areas to remain in shadow. This balance between light and dark creates a much more realistic forest scene. The plants lining both sides of the staircase are painted next. While placing these bushes, I constantly pay attention to the slope of the ground so every brushstroke follows the direction of the terrain. Small decisions like this help the entire composition feel more believable. Using my small round brush in a light green mixture, I begin adding individual leaves throughout the painting. In the foreground, the leaves become larger, sharper, and more separated, while those farther away remain softer and more clustered. This gradual change greatly enhances the illusion of depth. I mix a lighter brown and begin highlighting the rocky cliff as well as portions of the tree trunks. These highlights reveal the texture of the bark and the rough surface of the rocks without losing their natural appearance. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, the stone staircase. Working from the farthest step toward the closest one, I carefully paint each step individually while maintaining proper perspective. As the steps move closer to us, they naturally become wider and reveal more of their top surfaces. I continue building the highlights layer by layer, allowing each step to become more three-dimensional. Small shadows beneath each plank help separate them and give the staircase a realistic structure. Finally, I paint tiny leaves and bits of vegetation growing between the steps to make the path feel old, natural, and well integrated into the forest. To make the composition even more enchanting, I add clusters of delicate white wildflowers along both sides of the trail. Using a fine brush, I paint them in loose groups at different heights and distances instead of placing them evenly. This randomness makes the flowers look much more natural. At the very end, I step back and carefully examine the entire painting. I make small adjustments by adding a few final highlights, deepening certain shadows, and refining tiny details until everything feels balanced and complete. I hope you enjoyed painting this peaceful forest pathway with me. If you did, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more acrylic painting tutorials and let me know in the comments what landscape you'd like to paint next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next painting tutorial. Happy painting!